Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpan here, and welcome to another product review of another ScaleTrains Rolling Stock. So, what I have here are these new Flatcars, which were released a couple weeks ago. They are the ScaleTrains Rivet Counter Flatcars, and then as you can see, they're right here. They are the BSC F68CH Flatcars. So I have in the TTMX version. I have two of them here. One here, and another one right here. So, I actually think these look really cool, so what we're going to do, I'm going to be doing a product review, and then we'll get started. Alright, so we're going to be unboxing it, so it's actually just really simple. You just got to, it looks like this. It comes in this really nice packaging. And I think this is like, you know, the facts about this black bed, and also like, this all has some parts diagram and all that, so we'll set that aside. And it also comes with this. These are basically the wood pallets you just put on the flat car itself, and it comes with these, a little Ziploc bag, which are these bearing caps. You can just, if in case like the bearing caps fall off, you can put new ones on. So yeah, so now we're gonna open it. It just slides off like this. And it's also got these on plastic on here, one here, another one right here. And there it is. There's the car itself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply these on first, and then once I finish it, we'll begin the review. Okay, so starting off, now that I have the deck laid out with so first off, we have the coupler right here, which is a metal coupler, as you can see. And it's also got the MU hoses right there. The brake wheel detail looks very nice. It's standard. So we move on. Here's the trucks. Zoom in. Looks very nice. And for being a rivet counter freight car, the bearing caps do rotate. So let me move it a little bit. You can see that. It's very nice. It's got some pretty nice detailing on here, and the paint job is nicely done. I'll show you some of the absolutely very nice. And I'll show you what it looks like. So there it is. It's finished. It took me like 5 minutes to put all this on. So basically what I did, I just put some glue, and then you just glue it down, and then there it goes. So we'll move on to the other side. As you can see, it's got more details. The coupler is nicely done. And that. Very nice. And it's got some steps detail-wise as well. And the wheel's really nice too. Very nicely done. And also the cool thing is, they also got the holes right here. So that's that. So you can like make your own load and such. Because I do have a freight car load I have in mind, but that'll be in a different video sometime in the future. Looks really nice. So now I'll show you the underbody detail. So I'll show you what it looks underneath. So this is what it looks like underneath. It's got some great detail. Very nice. The world's really nice. So anyways, I'll just turn it around so I can show you the other side. And there's the other side. Looks very nice. As always, and they even put the old TTX logo right there. Absolutely nice. I love the old TTX. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit more so you can see that. Absolutely very nice indeed. So, anyways, that's just gonna basically be it for the ScaleTrains Flatcars I have. So I'll show you the other one I have that's also done. So here's the other one. So, as you can see, they're coupled up together. Absolutely very nice cars. Because I think this is actually the very first time like an HO scale manufacturer makes this kind of particular flat car. Because, you know, it can be used to haul all kinds of loads you can use, but not used for like heavy duty and stuff. So I got these instead. So, anyways, that's gonna be it for the review of the ScaleTrains Flatcars. They're actually very nice cars and very modern as well. So, anyways, that's gonna be it. So, what my opinion on this? Very nice freight car, and you can put any load you like. So I do have a load in mind that I will be doing. So yeah, so that's gonna be it. I'll leave you guys with a little bit of a run by of these two flat cars in action. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.